So we export to about 20 countries. America is the largest of those export markets. We've been exporting products there since 2012, and it's also our fastest growing market. So this week there will be an additional 7% tariff imposed on our products, bringing the total tariff to approximately 14%. I'm not expecting it to have a large impact on sales. Due to a number of factors. I suppose the strong dollar is helping people on the other side of the ocean actually afford our products. And I think the growth we're on, it'll be very, very difficult to slow that down. We are actively also looking at other markets. For example, just since the tariffs were announced, we've had a huge amount of inquiries from the Canadian market, and we're also selling a lot to the Far East and Europe. So all in all, I think business will continue in America, albeit at a slightly higher cost.